Aloha everyone, this is Lenora, Hawaii's Pickle Lady. Today we're doing sesame rice paper. It's kind of like shrimp chips, but it doesn't have the shrimp in it. And when you open up this, it has 4 big patties. It's sort of thick like this, and believe it or not, it cooks in the microwave really well. So we're gonna put it in for 1 minute, turn it over another minute, and it'll be done and it'll expand. I'm putting this in the microwave for 1 minute. 1 minute is up. Now I'm gonna turn it over. Microwave it for another minute. I'm taking it out after 2 minutes. And you can see it's quite crispy. It's sort of hot now, so you can just break off a piece and eat it as is. We'll let it cool. But in the meantime, I have the regular shrimp chips, and to experiment, I put it in the microwave for 1 minute, and let's see how it looks. I'm taking the shrimp chips out after 1 minute, and you can see it really crisped up. If you make this, it's very healthy because you don't have to use any oil, and it's guilt-free. Now I got these, I got this big one from Chinatown, Las Vegas. However, I had to go to 5 stores before I could find this particular big one. In Honolulu, in Chinatown at the Vietnamese stores, they sell this type of big rice paper. Some of them have shrimp and other things in it, and so it's difficult to look. We've looked online, it's not available, so good luck in looking. So thank you for watching, and if you like, comment, subscribe below. Mahalo for watching. Thank you. So we'll test this out. This is the regular shrimp chip. Still very crunchy, but no guilt, no oil. Then the big one. You just break it up. Crunchy too. Be good for a party.